DGCA in India governs all the rules and regulations about drone flying. Similarly, in the USS, we have FAA Part 107. Want to become a certified drone pilot? Hi, this is Sankalp Gupta from TCOE, a hands-on skill training institute in the field of drones. The first step in becoming a drone pilot is filling the application form. It is the application D4 on the Digital Sky website. The next step is preparing for all the rules and regulations, understanding the various rules and regulations prepared by DGCA. Then you have to actually learn to fly. First on a simulator, then on an actual drone. Next, understand all the knowledge requirements of flying a drone. Next, understand all the operational considerations, the environment in which you have to fly the drone. Finally, prepare for the test and give the test. Then you become a certified pilot and have a wonderful career in the field of drones.